All right, folks, welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. So I went and done a thing today. I went ahead and set up an appointment to drop the ram off at the mechanic shop next Wednesday to have the heater core replaced. I know I've been procrastinating about that for, I don't know, gosh, 3 years now or something to get that heater core fixed on this truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. I'll have it over there, drop it off next Wednesday morning, I guess, early in the morning, and it may take a week or so to for them to get it in. They stay pretty busy over there. And like I said, guys, I don't drive this thing very often. I usually don't drive it in the wintertime much at all. It usually stays at the carport all winter. I must just go out there and crank it, every so often. Keep everything circulating in it. But I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I've been procrastinating about that for a long time, and I've been saying it in the videos for a long time that I need to get that done. Like I said, guys, this is a 1994 Dodge Ram SLT Laramie. It is the V8 Magnum engine. There's a Laramie badge on it. Currently has 240,000 miles, just over 240,000 miles on it. As I've said before, guys, the truck runs fine, runs out and drives great. You really wouldn't know that it had over that many miles on it by driving it. Like I said, guys, it runs and drives good. It's tight. Everything's tight on it. The biggest issue on it right now, of course, is the heater core not working. And of course, it bothers me not having any heat in it or defrost. But one thing that bothers me worse than that is that fog that gets on the inside of your windshield from the coolant or whatever. So anyway, we'll get that taken care of next week, finally. And one thing that worries me is they got to pull this dash out to some degree. I'm not sure. I've never done a heater core before on any vehicle. But the dash on these trucks is always, now this one here, believe it or not, guys, if you know, it's in relatively good condition for most of these. You can see right there where it's busted at that mounting point. Underneath this little center stuff here, it's busted up pretty good there, and I had put some duct tape on it and just laid that over there to kind of make it look better. And it's got, it's got some little cracks and stuff in it. Even the bezel around the dash. So I'm hoping that it just doesn't crumble to pieces when they take it out to do the heater core. But I'm thinking in the back of my mind I'll probably have to go ahead and get a new dash. You can see, I don't know if you can see up here or not, but it's got a crack all the way across there. It's cracked. So it's just this was one of Dodge's weak points in these trucks is the dash. And like I said, this one here is actually a lot better than a lot of them I've seen. So it is what it is. We'll go over and look at the other side of the dash real quick. You can see the mileage, guys. If you can see it, it's 240,314 miles. And I bought this truck in 2006. Paid $4,500 for it off the second owner who lived here locally. And it had just over 200,000 miles, like maybe 202,000 on it, something like that. Not much over 200,000 miles. So I put close to 40,000 miles on it. And I mean, like I said, guys, the truck, it looks probably better in the pictures than it does in person. But see, there's another crack on the dash. There's a spot there that's busted out of it. But so we'll just have to see how it. The door cards are actually really good condition. The seats are not bad for, 29, 30-year-old truck. Headliner has, a little bit of, we're starting to come down a little bit there. It probably could use a new headliner, but like I said, guys, I want to get that heater core done. The stuff on the interior, I can work on that later on. And then this chrome grill, this was another thing. These plastic grills. This one here is you can see where it's starting to bubble up, and actually I fixed that. I kind of did a backyard repair on that piece there that come out completely. But you got to watch, this stuff here will cut the crap out of you, this fake chrome, when it starts peeling like that. But so, and it does have the billet inserts. It doesn't have the honeycomb anymore. It's got the billet inserts there, and then down at the bottom too. So, but I may have to get me a new grill shell eventually as well. That one is starting to get kind of rough shape. But like I said, guys, the truck's 29 years old this year. So overall, I'd say it's in pretty good condition to be that old. It's always been owned by adults, never been rawhided. You saw a video I did here a while back where I did a little mini burnout on it. And of course, these are, I guess, limited slip, so only the rear passenger side wheel spun, and it fogged it up a little bit, smoked it up some. But that's the first time I think I've ever done that since I've owned it, just to show that it still would. And the tires are pretty good condition on here. It's the Hankook Ventus H101. I actually got these at Walmart, I believe, several years ago. No dry rotting. I keep them moving enough where they're not getting dry rotted or anything, so they're still doing good and holding up well. But all right, guys, just an update. I am going to get the heater core done on it, so hopefully in a week or two we will have heat and we will not have any more of that nasty film on the windshield. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video.